How do you model this? I would start with a circle, then go into edit mode and give it an extrusion. After that, I'd scale it inward to create the inner shape. Next, I'd select these vertices and extrude them along the y-axis. Then I'd straighten this edge to keep the form clean and smooth. After that, I'd select everything, duplicate it, move it on the y-axis, and rotate it 180 degrees on the z-axis. Then I'd select these edges and bridge them together to complete the main shape. Once the base is done, I'd extrude everything upward and add a few loop cuts so the mesh keeps its beautiful shape after applying the subdivision surface modifier. Did you like the video? Follow me to stay updated for more Blender tutorials and modeling tips.